going on YouTube? CJ Brandon's back with a brand new video once again. And today we're actually going to be coming back with you guys for another video with Geartart. I'm stoked about this video. I cannot wait for you guys to see this video, and I really hope that everybody's going to enjoy these products. So Geartart, they were kind enough to go ahead and send us over some more products today, of course. We went ahead and picked up a little small box. It's not a phone case or anything. We weren't looking for any more phone cases just for now, but this right here is actually going to be a phone ring holder. So, you know, I guess you guys, if you remember the trend, they used to have like the poppets and stuff like that, but this isn't a poppet. This is actually a ring holder. There's a big difference. This is not a pop-up. This is something that actually is a ring. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to show you guys everything, because like I said, I'm stoked about it. I really like Geartart, honestly. They gave us these beautiful cases. Yes, they're beautiful cases. I don't care what y'all say, beautiful cases. Let me get my face out of the so I can zoom in on that. I mean, these cases are just very vibrant. They're different as well, so no one will really have this. They'll have the same exact, you know, of course, colors and stuff, but they will never have the same exact design, pretty much. I mean, it's tie-dye. I mean, can you really make tie-dye the same? That I don't know if you can or not, but yeah, man, we're just gonna show y'all all these cases again, just in case if y'all have missed out on them, because these are very great. Honestly. So we're just waiting on them to go ahead and, you know, bring out the iPhone 13 series. They only got the iPhone 12 series so far, but I mean, you know, hey, we're gonna get them soon, and hopefully I don't know if I want them to make the same exact colors as these, or maybe they should bring another one, or either make these again but make, you know, another one. We still got the iPhone 12 somewhere around here. I actually got to find it so I can hook it up to my rig, you know, so we can record some stuff right there. But let's go ahead and get into it, man. Enough of that talking. Let's go to see what's up with Geartart, man. Let's go to see what they sent us. Let's switch right over. All right, man, so we back in. Let's go ahead and get straight into it. I already showed you how the cases, so let's go ahead and move those out the way. Let's go ahead and give a box number one, man. Let's go ahead and see, you know, what's inside of box number one. Like I said, I do kind of hope that these may match up the cases that we already got, but if not, I mean, it really doesn't matter to me. I mean, you know, golly. Okay. Dang, I hate to rip these boxes. I love these boxes. Really nice aesthetic. So in here, let's go ahead and see what we got. So we got some 3M tape as well. Dang, I already spoiled it. I've kind of seen it. So we got some 3M tape. You know, I guess this right here is going to be applied to the back of the ring, and we'll just put that on there and stuff like that. So we got that. Then this is a cleaning wipe. So an LCD cleaning wipe. So I guess if you know you need to clean anything, of course, go ahead and use that bad boy and pop that on. And then we got the ring, yeah, I'm talking about now we got the ring light. I don't know what I'm talking about. Now we got the ring itself for the phone. So this right here is like a blue. Oh, wow. Oh yeah, this actually looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. So this right here is just like a little blue one with a heart in the middle, or there may be an ocean. I don't know if that's an ocean, or maybe some clouds. It may even be clouds, man. I mean, it really looks good to me. So I'm assuming that pretty much what you do is this. You'll just take this little piece off of here, and is this, let me see if this is already sticky. Oh crap, yeah, this is already sticky, so this may be an extra piece, I guess, or something. Dang, where'd that thing go? I think I just dropped it. All right, well, we're just gonna put that one down in here, and we got an extra sticky, so we good. Let's move this to the side, and let's go to open up the other ones and stuff to see what we got. Put that over there. Ooh, the box number 2. So really, man, y'all definitely got to check out the link in the bio below as well for Geartart. You can save up to 20% on all of these products that we're going to be showing you guys today. Even the phone cases, even these phone cases that we got right here, you know, save 20% on that. I mean, why not? We're just going to rip this box open. Hands too big. All right, so in here we got, you know, the same old stuff that we just unboxed from the other one as well. So we put that to the side. It's more design-wise. So we got this pink one right here. This right here actually looks, I like it, honestly. I mean, of course, I won't have it on my phone, but I like it a lot. Like I said, Geartart, I mean, the name speaks for itself. It's Geartart, the art right there. So, I mean, if you don't think so, from looking at these videos, if you can't tell that they have a lot of vibrant stuff, then I don't know what's wrong with you. This is obviously vibrant. I like it a lot. It's very bright. It's not dull at all. Like I said, it is tie-dye product, so you will be unique still. Let's move over to the third box. We're just gonna go ahead and rip these open. This one still got the big old cases outside. The big, you know, ones for the phone cases and stuff. So let's go put that up there. Some more cleaner wipes in that 3mm or 3M tape. I'm just gonna say, not millimeter. And then we got us another blue one as well. I don't know which one I like more. I don't know if I like this one more or either the heart or the cloud. Right now I'm digging the cloud more, but this looks pretty good itself as well. So who knows? And let's go to the final box itself. And I'm actually gonna put one of these on my phone as well, just to show you guys. I'm putting it on an iPhone 12. Probably got me a quick. I was like, I grab a case, but I got cases right here. So you know, we got the same old little stuff right there again. And then this one is, look like cotton candy. So this one looked like to me. All right, so yeah, we got us this one right here, dude. It's too vibrant, bro. This is straight vibrant. Like, you gotta like it. You have no other reason not to like this at all. Geartart, come on now, 20% off. Get this, or get the case. Get the freaking case. You gotta get something from Geartart, bruh. Like, man, let me go ahead and grab my iPhone right quick. Wow, look at this, dude. Like, I'm sorry, but I'm not lying to y'all. When I tell you that I really love Geartart, this is why. Because it's like, it's compact for one. It's not that overly sized ring. Then on top of that, you know, enough talk. Let me go grab the phone so I can show y'all. I need to prove to y'all that this is the truth. Phone 12 right here. Let me go to pick a random case. I guess since this is already on here, we'll just go ahead and pick this light blue case. Smack that bad boy on there. Okay, so we got the case on the iPhone 12 now. So now what I'm going to do is this. Let me actually clear my table off because my camera isn't focusing on anything at all besides it's focusing on the wrong products. That's all I'm saying. Let's go to get all this junk out the way. We good now. So we got our iPhone 12 right here. Then we also got the Geartart ring holder. So let's go ahead and take up this little tab on the back. Like I said from earlier, we're just going to remove this right here and apply it to the phone. I don't know if there's anything else that I should do, but we're gonna figure out. We'll just see. So smack that bad boy right there, and voila, not gonna fall off at all. I can't even show y'all the test, but I mean, it's on there. It's not gonna fall off. You know, I can hold the phone without any distractions also, so that's another plus about that. Just smack dab right on the phone, like they said, you know, just pop this bad boy open. You should know how to use this product right here. Pop it open and boom, easily, just like that. Easy product, man. You know, even do like that. You can even have your phone, let me see if I can angle it right. Yeah, you can even have your phone like that is also and then, you know, back sideways. I think that's the only way you should have your phone is like the sideways, or either sitting like this. But I know for a fact, me at work, I'll be using this a lot more because I like to watch movies while I'm at work, honestly. I'm not gonna fake it. I like to watch movies, so boom. Let me go ahead and get the rest of the products to go ahead and finish up a little quick product review, and we're just gonna show y'all my face. We done with this view. All right, man, so we back in. You guys have been able to see everything I got. I got everything from Geartart, man. Like I said, beautiful case, rings. I mean, I've never seen the, oh my lord, I've never seen a product this very, you know, this good. I mean, it's vibrant. They don't cost that much either, so that's, you know, that's a plus. I mean, if you really want to go spend your money, you know, you can go, of course, you can buy your $10 poppet. What you got to think about, them poppets, they really don't stick to your phone as you really want them to. Now, Apple, of course, they got MagSafe, so they may have even more products out now that, you know, can support MagSafe and stuff like that. But do you really want that? Like, you can just buy you a case from Geartart, hook it up to the phone, call it a day. Let's call it a day. I mean, I literally just put, this is another great thing about it as well. I literally just put this ring thing on here and I pulled it off with no trouble at all. Now, you know dang on well, if you had some other products, you smacked it on the back of this phone, even the phone case or even the phone itself, you would have had issues. Now, me personally, I'm not going to put it on the back of my phone because I know, like I said, I got that MagSafe right there and I don't know what it's going to do. Also, the simple fact that I use MagSafe to charge this phone up and also the 13, I can't really smack dab it right there. But this is a product that I'm definitely going to be using a lot much more because why not? I mean, I might as well have a stand with me anywhere I go. So that's all we got for today's video. Like I said, make sure you guys go ahead and use that link in the bio below. Get 20% right now off of any Geartart product that's from phone cases to straight up ring holders. If you don't do it, I feel bad for you. Don't get gimped out of anything else, man. Best ones they got. If you want some more colors for them, I'm pretty sure you can also go on their page. Use that link though. Use the freaking link. Use the link. Get 20% off. Tell them, hey, Geartart, bro, we need some more. If they come up with a black case, I just know for a fact that that black case is not gonna be ugly. I got me some ugly cases. I don't even know if I got one around here somewhere, but I got an ugly case on my iPhone 13 right now. It's just clear. So I'm waiting on Geartart, man. I know a lot of y'all don't have the 13 series, so use it. They got the iPhone 12 series out. Get the cases. Save 20% off today. Use the link in the bio. Also, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you shoot me a comment down below. Let me know what y'all thinking. Do y'all like Geartart? And we'll see you guys whatever is next. Until next time, you guys, the brand is out. Peace.